shall we have a quick look at the jigsaw puzzle? Did I bring the tape measure? No. Okay, that was easy. No, I can't get through that way. Okay, that's 800, which it should be. Okay, so I think what we've got. Okay, it's going to be a fraction high if I do that, but that's okay. Fraction high. I don't think I've got enough. Not up the little bits. Alright, so, yeah, okay. What's that? That's the 1114. Okay. Maybe that's closer. I'll just do that. That's pretty good. Alright, so that's going to be a fraction short. Maybe. Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. That sits there. Then, there's the other, what's that one? That's the other 1114. It's me saying, let's move everything off the SCAT. And I did. Okay. That's for now. That's there. There's another 1114. What's there? Oh, actually, that's okay. Because that comes forward because we've got the back. Right. What's this one? 800. That's another 800. That one needs to go that way. Actually, if I put that way, I can use that block for both. Hey! Talk about clever. Some days. Right. So, that one should go there. Turns up the rest about there. I'm looking for. Didn't write anything on that one. That's unusual. Okay. That's a 353, and that's a 353. Okay. There's another 800. That's a 784. That's close. Base of that. Don't need that. Okay. Alrighty. Look at it here. Jigsaw 353 and 353. I didn't do enough 353s. Alright. Let's see. Goes that way, that goes that way. Okay, that looks high. Certainly too close. Okay. That's alright though. What are these two? 784 and 784. Yeah. Okay, this is too high. because I can't fit my legs under that. Right. What's that one? It is an 1114. Right. So. Yeah, that's okay actually. What we do my 353? Now 353. Alright, so we need lower for that. That's good to know. However, if we do that, that's a bit wobbly. Okay. And then what was the 784 for? Must have been cross. There's one. Big one. Huh? I'm missing something. That's the really long one. That's too long. That's 1114, so that's the one. Right. How long is that one? That's 1114 as well. Right. Three. That should be. Imagine that's flush with that one. Thanks. Okay, so that's the basic dimensions of the box. Very roughly. As wobbly as they come. And then, I have no idea what size that is. 800. Okay. That is for, that was supposed to be 84. No, it wasn't. 800's fine. Alright. Coming to get you. So that's where the box is going to sit. And it's about the right size. Then the seat will need to come to about there. Okay, that's pretty good. So 353 is way too high. Or is it? I need a box to sit on. I don't have one. So, okay, pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that actually. So, because this is actually the floor level. And you can see that must be the floor level because the chassis goes up at the back. So I've got to work out exactly where we've got to sit now. But that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, who wants to laugh? I'm going to try it. This isn't going to work, I know that. But, is that stable? Yes, stable enough. Holy dooly! Oh my gosh. Actually, it's not that far out. I need to be a little bit closer to the steering wheel. Oh my gosh! I can nearly see on top of the caravan from here. Okay, so I do need to be a little bit lower than this and a little bit closer, but not much. Because if I'm much closer, I'm not going to fit behind the wheel. That's, wow, okay. Just drop the bolt. And there we go. So realistically, I think this actually might need to go back just a fraction more. And then I think seat height will be about here. And that is way high. That is, I mean, looking at the photos, you can see, there happens to be a photo here. You can see they do sit up fairly high. But this thing is going to be scary. In case you missed the other post, I'll show you the tyres quickly. Your genuine or your normal veteran car tyres are 33 inches from top to the road. These ones are 34, and most of them, the maximum they have in most places across here is 3.5, and this is 5. So they are big, heavy duty, basically light truck tyres for their time, I guess. Wow, again, that is going to be so cool. I can't wait to see the video of me sitting on top of it. Just for laughs, from the front. Knocking everything over this time. Never mind. There we go. I can actually reach the pedals. They're a little bit too far away because effectively I am sitting on the box at the back, not on the seat. But dear. Well, for a cold, wet, miserable day, I think that's enough. I'm going to go back down to the house and laugh. See you later.